Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showcasing the Creality Falcon A1 10-watt laser engraver, a powerful compact desktop laser that's perfect for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and small business creators. Let's jump in and see what makes it so versatile. One of the first things you'll notice is how capable this machine is for DIY crafts. With a 10-watt blue diode laser, you can cut and engrave wood, leather, acrylic, felt, rubber, slate, and much more. Here's a quick peek at a few projects I made. A custom acrylic keychain. I also made some wooden ghost keychains. A pumpkin out of 3mm wood. I also plan to make a leather bookmark and an engraved acrylic photo frame. It's really perfect for personalized gifts or even small side projects. So I know a lot of you are wondering, but setup was super simple.
The cutting thickness tool, so you can adjust it. Now I actually got the honeycomb as well, so it doesn't burn the bottom of the printer. So I'm simply going to place this in here. And this is my 3mm test wood, so I'm going to place it right there. And now we're going to click start, and watch it go to work. As you can see, it laser engraved an F onto the base wood. Very, very nice. No smell, it vented right out the window. It's a very high quality machine. And now we could start exploring because we finished the test. So now we have all these options to print, from Halloween decor to dog tags to 3D models, Easter bunnies, rulers, you name it, you can print on it. It also comes with the Falcon Design Space software. So that software is super easy to download and use. It lets you preview designs. It's really neat. You could adjust the settings and also send jobs to the machine right away. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for beginners, yet powerful enough for really advanced projects. Let's see it in action. The 10-watt blue laser can cut 8 to 10mm wood and engrave acrylic with clean, precise results. Here's a Halloween pumpkin I just cut out. Notice the fine details. And here's an acrylic frame that I made a keychain out of. These kind of projects are perfect for custom gifts or even small business items. Compared to other desktop lasers in this class, the Falcon A1 10-watt stands out because of instant autofocus, no manual calibration needed. The Falcon Design Space software. It's intuitive for beginners and versatile for advanced users. Fast engraving speed, up to 600 mm, which is faster than most entry-level lasers. Compact and sturdy design. It fits on any desk or workshop table. It's ideal if you want a reliable, easy-to-use laser for DIY, gifts, or small business projects. So that's a look at the Creality Falcon A1 10-watt, a small but powerful desktop laser for cutting, engraving, and making personalized projects at home or your business. If you're looking to start a new hobby or create custom gifts, this little machine right here is definitely worth checking out. Click the link below to learn more or grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you think this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.